Hello students. So today in this video we are going to learn parts of speech. So there are 8 types of parts of speech and we will see one by one. So first one is noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of a place, name of an animal, name of a thing, name of a person. So Agra, lion, pencil, Raju. These are some examples of noun. One more thing I would like to say about noun is that you know if you don't know the name of a particular thing, of a particular animal, then you will not be able to address it. So it is very important to give noun to an animal, to a person, to a thing, to a place. Then you will be able to address it. Otherwise you will have no words to say about it. Okay, so this was what noun is. Then next one is pronoun. Pronoun. So word pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun to avoid the repetition of it. So noun का repetition avoid करने के लिए noun और pronoun यूज़ करते हैं. noun का repetition avoid करने के लिए pronoun यूज़ करते हैं. we use pronoun to avoid the repetition of we use pronoun to avoid the repetition of noun. So the examples of pronoun is I, he, she, they, we, it. Suppose एक बायोग्राफी लिखी जा रही है. So उस बायोग्राफी में सिर्फ बार बार उसका नाम ही यूज़ होगा? No, it's not good thing to repeat someone's name again and again. It will seem very bad to repeat someone's name again and again. So instead of using his or her name, we'll use he or she. So that's why pronoun is a very important thing. So next is verb. What is verb? What is verb? Verb is the word which describes an action. कोई काम हो रहा है, something is happening, a work is being done. So उसको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए एक वर्ड होता है इंग्लिश में. So वो चीज़ वर्ब होती है. So एक वर्ड यूज़ हो किसी एक्शन को बताने के लिए तो वो वर्ब होता है. So suppose some people are doing something in playground. What they will do in playground? They will play. कुछ गर्ल्स होती हैं, बॉयज़ होते हैं, स्टेज पे जा करके दे परफॉर्म सम मूव्स. सो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग? दे आर डांसिंग. सो दीज आर थिंग्स. सपोज देयर इज अ पर्सन इन अ स्विमिंग पूल. व्हाट ही विल डू इन स्विमिंग पूल? ही विल स्विम. Suppose students are sitting in the class and they are listening to teachers, so they are learning. So this was all about verb. Next, what is adverb? What is adverb? Adverb is a word which describes verb. Verb means some work is being done. But adverb, what is adverb? Adverb is a word which tells about verb. Verb के बारे में बताता है कि कोई भी काम कैसे हो रहा है. Okay, so suppose it is raining. आसमान में बारिश हो रही है. So it is raining. So a work is being done. बारिश होने का काम हो रहा है. But if I say it is raining heavily, तो मुझे पता चल रहा है कि बारिश कैसी हो रही है. So this was about adverb. Suppose a person is walking slowly. So a person is walking, but how is he walking? He is walking slowly. So slowly is a adverb. Adverb वो word होता है जो वर्ब के बारे में डिस्क्राइब करता है. सपोज आई एम राइटिंग, बट आई एम राइटिंग क्विकली, so it is an adverb. I hope you have understood it. So let's move on to next, adjective. Adjective is a word which describes about noun or pronoun. एडजेक्टिव एक वर्ड होता है जो डिस्क्राइब करता है किसके बारे में, नाउन और प्रोनाउन के बारे में. सपोज मीना इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल. गर्ल, गर्ल इज़ अ नाउन एंड गर्ल के लिए क्या यूज़ हुआ है, ब्यूटीफुल. सो मीना इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल. अल्टीमेटली मीना के लिए भी ये वर्ड ब्यूटीफुल यूज़ हुआ है क्योंकि मीना ही वो गर्ल है जो ब्यूटीफुल है. सो एडजेक्टिव एक वर्ड होता है जो किसी नाउन और प्रोनाउन के बारे में हमें बताता है. नेक्स्ट वन इज साहिल लिव्स इन अ फेमस सिटी. सो सिटी, सिटी इज़ अ नाउन एंड फेमस इज़ यूज्ड फॉर सिटी. सो फेमस क्या हो गया, एक एडजेक्टिव हो गया सिटी के लिए. एंड ऊपर वाले एग्जाम्पल में ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल के लिए एडजेक्टिव हो गया. ओके, so this was about adjective. So let's move on to next, preposition. Preposition, what is preposition? Preposition is a word which tells relationship between two different noun or pronoun. For example, above, on, above, below, behind, beneath, upon. These are examples of preposition. Suppose the bottle is on the table. You can see the bottle and it is on the table. Bottle and table. Bottle, table. Bottle and table both are two different things. Bottle and table both are two different things, but here the word on is used. On ने रिलेशनशिप जोड़ दिया टेबल और बॉटल के बीच में कि बॉटल कहाँ पर है, टेबल के ऊपर है, टेबल के ऊपर बॉटल है. सो दिस वॉज प्रीपोजिशन. देयर आर सम मोर एग्जाम्पल्स, विल से इट. सोहन कैरीज हिज बुक्स beneath his arms. Suppose he is Sohan and look at him. How is he carrying his book beneath his arm? You can see this. Sohan is carrying his book beneath his arms. So beneath is a preposition. So that was all about preposition. One more example is there. Aeroplane. The aeroplane went upon my head. So it's head, not a head, it's head only. So the aeroplane went upon my head. So कोई भी चीज़, कोई भी object, it is in motion and it is flying. So you can say कि वो चीज़ आपके सर के ऊपर से गई, तो you will say in English like that, the aeroplane went upon my head. Yeah. So that was all about preposition. Now we will see conjunction. What is conjunction? Let's see what is conjunction. Conjunction is a word which joins two different sentences and because or. So these are example of conjunction and because or. Ram plays cricket, Ram plays football. Ram plays cricket and football. These were two different sentences. Ram plays cricket, Ram plays football, but we joined these two different sentences with the word and. Ram plays cricket and football. So this was an example of conjunction. You can also say I didn't go to school yesterday because I was sick. So I didn't go to school, this is a different sentence. I was sick, this is a different sentence. So we join two different sentences with the word because it is in conjunction. So next one is interjection. Interjection is a word which expresses a strong emotion or a feeling. We express strong emotion in interjection. So hooray, alas, these are examples of interjection word. Okay, so this was all about parts of speech. You can download the notes given in the link description.